Well, seems I managed to somehow improve the quality of recording, at least. But I'm just waiting that it won't backfire, because I hate when it fucking backfires. Because I tried every... What the fuck? What the fuck is this shit? Why are you dancing like that, bro? We're trying to make a conga line, or what the fuck, man?
I'm trying to make a cross in my ass.
You know that I already have the achievement, but I'll try to help you to get the achievement then.
Zostało wykryte zagrożenie.
Pro się ta fu, kurwa.
Zostało wykryte zagrożenie.
Somebody is getting the Windows XP shit. Don't mind him.
Yes, Windows.
Ding ding, motherfucker. Oh. Ding ding ding. I'm fucking Windows. Drunken gibber. I'm not drunk, bro. I'm not drunk.
I am.
Wait. Should I show you a fucking picture of my table or what?
Show me.
I don't have beer on my table. I have nothing, bro. I just have cola. That's all.
I can try.
How the fuck should I just... Oh, fuck. How the fuck should I buy an alcohol meter? I don't fucking have it. Why should I? I'm not a fucking alcoholic motherfucker, you know.
Alcohol is alive.
I drink energy drinks, coffee, cappuccino. That's it. I'm not into that beer or stuff.
Okay, man. What I ask?
I drink sake. That's the only, which is like a rice wine. How unremarkable. Bruh, these people on Hightower are really high. Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. T is nuts.
These fucking people, oh god, I swear. This is why I love TF2 so much. This is just... This is why I love it. I love TF2. This is the best. This is the best thing that I can literally come up with. Also, this Pyrovision is kind of goofy, but whatever. Because the Lollipop is enabling it. I don't have the Pyrovision goggles. What the fuck is... Wait, let me try to taunt him. Fuck. Scam. What the... Bro!
No man, I'm kicking your nuts.
Bro, this Dragon Fury requires some aim, which is good. But I don't have aim. I lost it. Bro. Bro got fucking random crits, my dude! Damn! Bro's got random crits! Holy shit! This fucking server is worth it. This motherfucking server is so worth it, on God. Ooh boy. What the fuck are you doing? Pyro, get the fuck out of here. No cabin. Oh shit, sorry. I did not broke the fucking conga line, dude.
I'm gonna suck your nuts.
I'm gonna suck a nut. I'm trying to blow him off the fucking... Bro, it's just so, this TF2 is literally the peak of everything. are you trying to do? Dude. Where did that come from, bro? He just came from the heavens. He just fucking came from the heavens, my dude. How unbelievable.
Actually, altitude is very bad.
Oh god. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god, what the fuck is going on?
What are you doing?
Show me your phone.
Okay.
That sounded like a protogen, bro. That sounded like a fucking protogen.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm pro version, bro.
We're virgins.
Bros, it's a furry thing.
What's a furry?
No. I refrain from oh shit. I refrain from answering your questions, sir.
I'm scared of cheating.
I refrain from asking that from answering that question, sir. I don't wanna be burned. Ow.
We'll burn your ass.
What is a furry? Oh no. Oh, you really want to answer that question, dude? Well, sorry. Be prepared for some unforeseen consequences for answering that. LMAO. Lulu fucking Sugba balls. Oh, that's a spy! That's a spy! Come the fuck here. What the? You sound like an anime girl. What the fuck was that?
When did you guys figure my pyro loadout?
Oh no, I heard Anya Kudasai. Oh, kurva!
Oh,
Soldier,
thank you very
dude.
much.
Soldier, what the fuck are you doing? Kurva! I love Pirochinki.
Is it true that Polish people are gay? Yes,
You know they are religious, right? Like they're actually Christian in some ways.
Yeah, I'm very Christian, you know?
But yeah, maybe some of the people are gay and fanboys and whatever.
Where?
Bro, you timed it.
Where are fanboys?
Where the anime fanboys? Oh no.
Where are the facts?
Oh no. Also, Red Team is fucking capping for some goddamn reason. Why the fuck are they capping? Stop being a bitch and stop capping, dude! That's an order! That's a fucking order! Okay, good boy. What? Why the fuck are you capping again, you slut? You man whore? Fuck is going on in here? What the f-
America!
Don't you dare to backstab me. I fucking saw you, dude. Oh. What a concussion, dude. That was a fucking dead ringer, bro. This is hilarious. This people play TF2 because this is just hilarious.
Artur, you have to make money out here. And
Det får ta sig in, kurva chat.
We're money!
He's bloody and good.
Well, I'm Walter White. What a fuck. It's fucking hilarious.
And I hate him.
Look at them. They're enjoying their time. And some motherfuckers just capping. Oh, this fucking gibbous is capping, dude. That's against the law, dude. You'll be prosecuted until further notice.
Help him move with cuss and goes love with nudes.
Heavy. Why? Oh, thank you. Fine, no. Bad boy. I'm gonna put you on a... I will put a collar on you.
If you say the N-word again, I'm gonna slap you. Right in your back hole.
I think we are in hell. No. For the blood god. Are you using voice mod or what? You know what? I'm the voice mod by myself. Because I am a fucking roar. Beans, what the fuck?
I'm gonna fuck my brain.
Who's got 2 fucking HP? This is fucking hilarious, dog. It's just peak performance right there. This is the beauty of TF2. This is the actual beauty of TF2. Oh god.
Guys, my friend got kicked. I'm very sad.
No, he got kicked. No. Very sad. I am sad. I am very depressed.
Guys, my friend got kicked for not being active. I'm very sad.
Yeah, this gonna be endless. Yeah, people play TF2 because I wanted to record a normal video and try with my new recording software, but Jesus fucking Christ.
Stop singing the Arab.
Yeah, somebody is being a fucking Arab. Oh no. This is gonna end badly. This is gonna end very critical. Bro. So let me change classes, but because yes. I want to change classes because I want to. Bro. Oh my god. Right, there we go, with the fucking engineer on my asshole. And we got the most evil thing. Let me do something. This sentry comes with great responsibility. This is gonna be...
Boy, I'm gonna do a nurse inspection.
No. Stop destroying my sentry. Oh, dude. It's much better. The sentry is defenseless now. Yeah.
Don't follow me, oh!
He's gonna fall. Oh shit! Don't you dare to use your farts. Wait, you're not gonna fart on my sentry. No! Poor sentry got farted. The sentry couldn't withstand the smell of farts. God damn it.
Guys, can we kick someone? My friend can join.
This is a peak performance right there.
This guy, please.
Alright,
Please,
F1.
guys.
F1 please. F1 please.
Fuck you,
Woo.
Spooky. I don't like you. Yes, we did, guys. Thank you, my friends.
Yeah, spank my asshole.
No, I'm Polish. Monolith, I'm Polish.
What?
Monolith asked me what I am. I'm a mechanic.
These trollagers are everywhere. Effie, you believe in Allah or what? It's fucking hilarious. Why am I doing this? Why in the fucking first place am I doing this for real? It's just oh, that heavy's dancing. Oh shit. Ugh. GG, bro. Some bitch just capped. Of course it was a gibbous.
I will not leave because the server is very
Your
good.
gibbous is evolving into a pay-to-play.
Your goodness is evolving into a stupid.
No. Oh, okay, I'm done. I fucking. Why is this gonna get fucking demonetized or some shit? I don't fucking know. All right, see ya on the next video.